Let's go. Come on. And just like that, it hit my take profit. It's looking like this opening move. Not really showing a lot of volume so far in the market right now, but I am expecting to see a big push to the downside. It might not necessarily be this opening candle considering how slow it's moving, but overnight we really haven't seen that much activity either. I just know that they approved, Trump and them approved moving forward with some of the tariffs, so I am expecting a negative impact on the market. It's looking like the dollar starting to push. This is just my practice account, y'all. If ever y'all want to know if somebody trading for real using their real account, just look at this box. Take off my stop loss. I like to use my practice account to gauge how the price moving, and it don't hurt. It's just a practice account. So I am expecting a dollar to push. Starting to see it do what I thought it was gonna do. It's definitely a strong position right now, or a strong entry point right now that I'm seeing. But it could end up reversing a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, it's reversing a little bit. Most of the time when you day trading, you just gotta have patience, man. Don't FOMO into a trade. Don't rush the process. Let the process happen. It's gonna end up playing out. It's looking like the dollar dropping. What we waiting for is for the dollar to go up. And we waiting for strong confirmation for the dollar to go up. And starting to push. I gotta figure out how to show y'all both screens at the same time. So the dollar pushing now. All right, y'all know how I like to do. Once I see that first 100, I like to move my stop loss. Hopefully this don't wake me out. It just wake me out. All right, so I just lost like $15, which I ain't really tripping. It's looking like the price having a strong push to the upside. It also looked like I'm having a little bit of a lag. Let me restart my account. No, what the fuck? Damn, y'all. We just lost 500 on each account. All right, that happened because I was chasing it, but it's looking glitchy, like more so than usual. It's choppy. All right, look, we gonna reset. I ain't really worried about it. We just lost 5 today, but I ain't tripping. We're gonna turn this into a profitable day. Now I don't really got no choice other than to catch a $1,000 play, which I should have just been patient and let this first 5 minutes play out the way it was playing out. This is just the practice account, so it's really moving now. I think it's gonna sell off. Let me just be patient like I am whenever I normally win and just wait for that to happen. Also, I probably should have started out with 1 contract instead of 2. That's something that I don't know. I just had too much confidence at that moment without actually like just waiting for the first 5 or 10 minutes of the market to play out. It is what it is. I ain't tripping. And all that could have been avoided if I would have just been able to move my stop loss to 0. I thought I moved it too, but it was like this chart's so glitchy right now. I don't know why. Yeah, it's like real glitchy. I don't know what was wrong. All right, there we go. So the trade played out pretty quick. Now the market's showing that it's like dropping heavy. I ain't finna FOMO into this trade again, but I ended up making what I needed to make. Each of my accounts is in profit $200. It was a real quick move. And if you look, the dollar shot up. The price of the dollar just shot up just now. I don't know why my screen glitchy and all of that, showing like the trading view chart slow in slow motion or whatever. But because I took that trade earlier, I ended up losing like $500 between my accounts. So I ended up only making 531, 401, and 406. So ultimately, I think that's like what, $1,300 today, which isn't bad, but it could have been a little bit more. I'm gonna show y'all on my actual P&L sheet for my Express accounts. That was a quick trade. So I'm up 2,600 on this account, Made that $401 right here. Made that $531 right here. I'm up 3,000, 29.50 to be exact. And then on this account, I'm up $406. That's $2,953 to be exact. So I'm gonna just call it a day on these accounts. For Top Step, I'm gonna just continue taking my wins and letting them add up. That was my fault for taking that other trade earlier and actually not moving my stop loss in time in order for me to catch it before it ended up hitting my stop loss at 500. So I actually thought I moved my stop loss, but it is what it is. Now we gonna use my take profit trader account, which I see the dollar continuously going up. I think that the price gonna end up selling off again or some more actually. So I'm gonna just take a quick position on here. I'm gonna start out with 1 unit. Damn, that hit my stop loss quick as hell. I just lost 200. See the dollar steady pushing down though, so it's like weird. All right, let me move this screen over here. That was my fault jumping into it with no real direction. So it is looking like price going up on NASDAQ, but I think it's gonna end up like topping out like right here, I think. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, keep going. I really hate trading on just TradingView. I hate the way these charts look, and then it hit my TP. All right, so that put me up like $300. Like I said, I hate the way these charts look on TradingView. I probably should have did 2 contracts or whatever. It looked like the price still going down, still dropping or whatever. I don't know if I want to just jump in and take another trade, but it looked like the price still going up on $1. I don't know if I want to take another trade. I could, because it's looking like it'll work out in my favor if I did. We're gonna try it out. Let's go. Come on. And just like that, it hit my take profit that quick, y'all. This is how like easy trading can be when you got like a clear direction of where the market gonna go. So I just ended up making like, let me show you. This is just an eval account, so I don't really count like, let me see, I don't really count this as money that I so-called made. Let me see how I could pull it up for the field. Do it show the profit on here? Well, right here, if you look at the bottom corner, you can see like it say I made $1,140, and that bring my account balance to $52,100. So I just got this account yesterday, and yeah, it was a pretty easy trading day. I don't know why I didn't let my stop loss move to 0, man. Now it's like I made most of the gains on the eval account, which I ain't complaining. It is what it is. I got damn near like $3,000 on each one of my accounts now that I'm trading with, and I'm gonna request my payout today. That was really ultimately the goal. So it really ain't no like nothing to be sad about or nothing to be down about. I ain't mad about nothing actually. How many people could really say they made $1,300 in less than 15 minutes of work without doing manual work, without doing physical labor? Like, this was actually a pretty chill day. It was a pretty easy day. So like I said earlier, I ain't got nothing to complain about. I ain't really tripping about that little L that I took earlier, because I made it right back, and ultimately I'm gonna end up getting paid today, getting my payout. So I'm happy, bro. I couldn't be happier. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to really like talk too much during the trade, but I was so focused and I was so into concentrating. So like I said, between these 3 accounts, I got 3,000, that's 6,000 plus what, 2,600. That's like $8,600 that I got total that I made in like 5 days. So you could say I made like 10K in a week. So this was like one of my most successful weeks day trading. This was actually one of my most successful weeks day trading of all time. Cause look, all profitable days, 5 days in a row. Some of these days I took like hella trades. I ain't gonna lie to you, but it was cause I was hitting my stop loss at break even. So it was okay for me to keep trading. I wasn't operating at too much of a loss if I was. But I had days where it was like glitches and, you know, technical difficulties. Like yesterday when my copy trader wasn't working right, I got it working right today. And yeah, everything ended up actually working out how I thought it would. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna end my trading day right here. Like I said, the Discord coming soon. So if anybody want to be a part of the trading group or watch me trade live, I'm definitely gonna have a Discord for that, and we all could join the Discord, build a community together. Like I said, I'm gonna have a free portion of the Discord, then I'm gonna have a paid portion of the Discord so that you could get, like, you know, more in tune with like day trading. You could watch me trade live. You can even get, like, you know, advice from me and all of that stuff directly from me. So yeah, man, like everything that I do is gonna be in the Discord as well. I'm gonna have a portion of the Discord with videos breaking down, you know, trader psychology. And I wouldn't even necessarily call it a course, because like I always say, bro, you can get all this information for free on YouTube. All I do is trade support and resistance, and I basically just look to the dollar for a correlation, and that basically helped me trade NASDAQ, US 30, S&P 500 if I want to trade those too. But I mostly just stick to NASDAQ. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I'm gonna quit yapping and I'm gonna carry on with the rest of my day and get to editing this video. Like I always say, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, y'all make sure y'all comment, y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all be smooth.